Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making Peking style mushroom tofu. Let's get into it. Start, we have our mushrooms here that I'm gonna mince up. We have our tofu that I'm also gonna kind of mince up. We have garlic, ginger, and then we're gonna do like a little cucumber salad on the side, and we have some jasmine rice cooking, and then we're gonna make our sauce. But we're gonna start, this is some coconut oil, and we're gonna be cooking the mushrooms and tofu in this pan. So I just got a little bit of coconut oil in the pan. It's a cast iron that I'm preheating. And we're gonna go ahead and mince up these mushrooms. We're gonna start by slicing them up like this, just to break them down. And then we're gonna go ahead and just kind of really finely dice these up. You can use any kind of mushroom you like. These are just, you know, the cheap cremini mushrooms at the store. And then we're just gonna roughly chop them up. They're gonna shrink down quite a bit when they cook them, but I really want like the texture or like the size of like ground beef. Moving them around like so, moving them from the bottom to the top. And we're gonna cook these down first before we add the tofu, because there's so much moisture in mushrooms. And if we add this with the tofu, it'll really just steam the tofu, and you want to get a nice sear on everything. So we'll put that in the pan here, and you want to hear that sizzle. You want to make sure that you're preheating everything while we prep this tofu. This is extra firm tofu. It's just packaged in a little bit of water that we're just going to slice open and drain. So we're going to go ahead and cut these into slabs, maybe like 4 slabs like this, and then we're going to go ahead and cut strips, maybe 6 strips. Pretty much the standard that we can find here in Ontario, this company. And we're gonna go ahead and actually move this to the top of the cutting board while we prep the little cucumber salad situation. Get a wooden spoon here, give this a stir. I'm actually going to also take out some Chinese 5-spice for the sauce. These Thai chilies that I'm trying to work through, so just gonna cut one up and add it to the cucumber salad. They are spicy, but they're not like crazy. Okay, these mushrooms are cooking down nicely, but you can see there's still quite a bit of moisture. So I'm gonna crank the heat up a little bit more. And you can cut this cucumber any way you like, but I'm gonna be using this to cut ribbons. And you're basically gonna get pretty good ribbons until you get somewhere in the middle where there's lots of seeds. And then it will start to fall apart, so you just rotate it. Okay, and then you're left with this, which is basically just seeds, so you can eat this or whatnot. I was gonna do this other half, but I think we got a lot in there, so it's just for 2 people. You'll notice once you crank the heat up, this will obviously start to caramelize pretty quick, so you want to keep an eye on it. But I kind of want those little charred bits because that's just flavor. Okay, and then we have our Thai chili here. Just gonna tip and tail it and then just slice this up really fine. And again, you could leave this out. You could just add red chili flakes, whatever you like. We're gonna get a pinch of salt here, and we're gonna get, this is seasoned rice vinegar. This is all the dressing is. Just a little bit of that. We're gonna get our hand and just kind of work that in. Okay, our mushrooms are looking good. I'm gonna add the tofu now. And tofu also has quite a bit of moisture in it. So that moisture will help to deglaze this pan a little bit. It doesn't really matter if the tofu breaks up or not. See, it's sticking there. Not gonna be too worried about that at all. You could add a splash of water, or I mean a splash of oil if you want, but you don't have to. This will all come back up, don't worry. We're gonna turn the heat back down to maybe a 5. And we can cut up our aromatics. So we have ginger here. I'm just going to slice this into like a mince. Cut it up into planks, and then you can go across the planks like this into sticks, and you get a nice mince. We're finally almost through this Costco container of ginger. We've had it since September. So I think that's actually pretty good. Add that right into the pan. And then we got 3 garlic cloves that we're just gonna lightly tap with the back of the knife here to help remove the skin. You just peel the skin off like that. I'm actually gonna save this cucumber here for our boy's dinner. He loves like a little aperitif, you know, like before dinner when we're making it. He loves a little snack to munch on. I'm just trimming the end of the ginger, and we'll just go ahead, same thing. Slice it up. Okay, all this fond you can scrape off really easily with this spoon. If you really want to, I'll just show you just for the viewer here. You can get a splash of water, just a splash of water like that. And then if you move the water around, the fond just comes right off like that. And that just adds flavor to your dishes. So that's why I'm not too worried about it, because it's a hot pan. When pans are hot, it's really easy to clean or like remove stuff like that. So I'm gonna actually probably build the sauce in a little bowl. So we're gonna do, this is hoisin. It's mostly hoisin. This is just plain soy sauce. A couple tablespoons of that. A tablespoon or so of the seasoned rice vinegar, which is seasoned with sugar. So it's already pretty sweet. So I'm just gonna add a splash of maple syrup. And the hoisin is pretty thick. This is just store-bought hoisin. You could very easily make your own. In goes the sauce. And because all the pan and everything is hot, it'll start to evaporate pretty quick. So you wanna try and mix that in as quickly as you can so everything gets incorporated. That's good. Get another wooden spoon. This rice is pretty much done. Gonna add, I like to season my rice with just a splash more of that rice vinegar when it's basically 99% done. And then turn the heat off and let the vinegar steam in the rice. And this is that Chinese spice that I forgot to put in the dressing, so I'm just gonna add a little bit to the top here. This is what Rory's gonna eat here. Rory's got some leftover bean, mushroom, potatoes from Grandma. So it doesn't look very good, but he loves it. And obviously I wouldn't give him that big potato. I'm gonna mince that all up for him. But I'm gonna plate up one of ours just so we can show you what it looks like here. So we have that rice, the rice on one side, and then we're gonna go in with that mushroom, tofu, and then we got the cucumber salad, some green onions on top, and there you go. This is my Peking style mushroom and tofu with rice and cucumber salad. Wow, it looks absolutely banging. Hope you enjoy that one. Let me know what you're making below. This is a great kind of like weeknight whip up that I thought of. Yeah, you know, for a random Tuesday night. I'm just trying to show you guys videos and recipes that you can actually make during the busy work week. So this is one that I made in about 20 minutes. And yeah, if you don't like mushrooms, leave them out. Tofu's a great option. I was thinking of doing lentils at one point. Or any kind of bean would be great as well. But let me know what you whip up, and the full recipe's down below, and I'll see you in the next one.